From Bling Empire to the ballroom, Christine Chiu is prepared to bring her sparkle and shine to Dancing with the Stars. Fans will get to see a whole new side of Christine Chiu as she goes from Couture Queen to Dancing Queen. The Bling Empire star plans to make her ballroom debut tonight, September 20th, on the 30th season premiere of Dancing with the Stars. Ahead of her major performance, Christine joined the HollywoodLife Podcast to dish on rehearsals, her biggest competition, and of course, season 2 of her Netflix series. While her dance partner still remains a mystery, she did share that she has been smiling from cheek to cheek through practices. I think the first couple of days I was in disbelief, I was so giddy. The whole lower half of my face was very sore because it just couldn't believe it, Christine explained. However, I actually think that worked to my disadvantage because the dance that we're doing is a much more serious dance, so I had to shake that out of myself a little bit and get a little more serious. The fashion icon also admitted she had to cut out those mojitos and champagne and tighten up her diet a little bit to get into competition shape. I just want to see myself hit all of the marks and do the best that I can, Christine said of her hopes for her run on DWTS. I don't want to let down my partner because he is an extremely talented, professional dancer, and you can tell he's putting 200% into whipping me into shape. I really want to make him proud. She added that her mystery partner has given her some incredible advice ahead of their debut performance, and one is that it's a marathon, not a sprint. He told me to really pace myself and to not necessarily set my eyes on the trophy or the prize, but to take it week by week, execute, absorb, feel the dance, feel the emotion and every movement, and to enjoy and have fun, which is what I fully intend on doing, Christine said. A challenge she has already faced is the balance of long rehearsals and filming the second season of her show, Bling Empire. I have basically 3 sets of glam a day. I start the day at 6 a.m. with Dancing with the Stars, and then I shift into my first look for Bling and then my second look for Bling, the Taiwan native detailed. At the same time, I have to emotionally and mentally shift gears as well, so that's the most hard-hitting challenge that I'm experiencing right now. Luckily, Christine has been able to weave her DWTS appearance into her Bling Empire story, as she calls dancing very much one of my strongest love languages. It's a very authentic expression of me that I know we didn't get to see in season 1, she said. I was a little bit more feisty and villainous, or aggressive in season 1. And I think part of the fun is to explore the different sides and perspectives of the different cast members, and I hope we get to explore dance. Be sure to tune into Dancing with the Stars tonight, September 20th on ABC at 8 p.m. ET to see Christine and her partner take the ballroom floor. If you'd like to vote for her, text Christine to 21523.